bounced on the trash can. Got an Outlaw 29.5-inch tire holding the frame down. Good day, world. I'm here today to talk to you guys about the ramp door on my piece of shit Hyperlite XLR. It's half-ton towable. I've got a RZR in there, Polaris RZR, that I'm quite certain weighs over 2,000 pounds. So I have exceeded its weight limits, but it's still getting the job done. My ramp door took a shit a long time ago from me driving on it with my Polaris RZR 900, which is quite a bit smaller and not nearly as heavy. And so I got some HD ramps that were like $350 that I just put over the door, and I was driving the RZR up on those to load it in the toy hauler, basically just to save the door, because it was so soft that, I mean, if I were to jump on it, I might have went through it. But a couple weeks ago, my RZR ended up falling off of the loading ramps and went through the door. So I had to redo the ramp door, and all I had was an empty frame. I didn't have the inside and the outside, so I had to do something. I had to do something quick because the camper was exposed to the elements. On top of that, I wanted to use the damn thing. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got going on here. So what I used, if I recall, is 2 sheets of 15-30 seconds marine plywood. They didn't have 1/2 inch, and if you know your fractions, that's just a you know what hair off of being 1/2 inch. So I got 2 sheets of that. This one's obviously going this way. The first layer on the other side is going this way. Now, the frame is like 1 5/8 inches thick that we got to work with. So I did roughly 1 inch of plywood, and then what I went through here with is just these are fence pickets, because they are 5/8 of an inch thick. And what I did was I literally just jammed those in there, and that tightened everything up. And then I ran a bunch of screws down through it. And you know, now I was in a hurry to do this, so nothing's glued together, you know, nothing's fiberglass. I literally just laid that shit in there. I actually left the frame on the trailer, never even took the door off the trailer, just kind of took the end cap off here, took a 2x4, stuck it down in that channel, and just beat the shit out of it. That end came off fairly easy. This end was a bitch. I had to put the torch on there and heat that up. The glue or whatever they got in there, that was on there pretty good. But I just beat the whole end channel off and then literally just slid my wood in there. The inside of the channel, I don't have a whole lot of this on video. I was doing it by myself, just wore my ass out. And I was in and out of the rain. It was on and off rain all day. So, but the glue and the shit that was left inside that channel, I took my multi-tool with the little flat disc and just ran it right down that channel, and it cleaned all that glue and shit right out of there. So if you guys got one of those, that's probably gonna be your easiest way to do it. In case you're wondering, in here I got a 2014 RZR 1000 XP on 37.5 inch tires. It barely fits in there. I kind of crammed it in there, messed the cabinets up and shit, so it fits a little bit better now. The door is extremely heavy. Now, I did it 2 weeks ago when the wood was really wet. I've had a dehumidifier in there for several days, removed lots of gallons of water. When I just opened it, it seemed like maybe it was a little bit lighter than it used to be, but I'm 6'2", I'm 150 pounds. I'm gonna show you guys how much of a strain it is for me to open and close it. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna set my tripod up. And I would say that I think that might have lost some water weight over the last couple of weeks. It seemed a little easier. Or maybe I had some Wheaties this morning. I don't know.